Bertina Lingdo, a person with a disability, today highlighted the numerous challenges individuals with physical disabilities face when attempting to sit for exams and competitive tests. She emphasized that one of the primary difficulties is securing a suitable assistant to help while reading the questions and writing the answers. Lingdo pointed out that many of them are not familiar with essential aspects like punctuation placement, including quotation marks, colons and semicolons. In her appeal to exam authorities, Lingdo urged both private and government organizations to ensure that scribes are well qualified, proficient in reading and writing, and competent with computers to assess individuals with disabilities more effectively.
Exam ngidon kam banjalam ya uscribe kumut ude unong yarap jungi ban yarap ban penpulelem ya kijingkeli lani ban pentho ya kijubab jungi hakapor exam haba kimut ban itho ya kum gini ki exam ki habwat ya unong yarap jungki ubanlong kham hapo ya kakerdan pule jungki henry ka jing hangni ka long ba bon sin nilamat na kapor sa kapor ba ngimla ban yo bet uta unong yarap jungi uba kum na kaliang ka exam center kidon kam.
And now the weather.